Hi everyone, Miss Yasmin here. Today Manira and Shaker are going to help me show you how to make a lava lamp. So what we need for this experiment is some vinegar, some bicarbonate of soda, some food colouring and some oil and a tall glass. So first what we're going to do is we're going to put 3 spoons of the bicarbonate of soda into the bottom of your glass. Do you want to put it in first, Manira? Right, 3 spoons. 1, 2, 3. Now Shaker, do you want to put in your 3 spoons?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Good job, Shaker. Now next we're going to put the oil in, and you need to put 3/4 of your cup. So that's not to the top and it's not half, it's in between. So it's about here, Manira, okay? And don't mix the bicarbonate of soda. Let that stay at the bottom and the oil will be on top. Keep going. A little bit more. There you go, that's about 3/4. Now Shaker, you put the same amount in, please. Remember not to mix it or the experiment won't work. Little tiny bit more. There you go, that's 3/4. Right, so now I've given you both a little jug with some vinegar in. So get your jug and put a few drops of the food colouring into your vinegar. Let's move these out the way. Just a few drops, Manira. Do it very slowly. There you go. There you go. Right, Manira, Shaker's turn. Just a little bit, Shaker. You don't need too much. A little bit more. There you go. Do you want to put the top on so we don't make a big mess? Right, Manira, wait a second. What you've got to do is you've got to put tiny drops in. Don't pour it all in, just put a tiny drop at a time. A tiny little drop, like a raindrop. No, don't stir. Slowly, slowly, Shaker. Right, look at yours, Shaker, it's starting to work. Can you see all the different colours? Well, the orange. I think that's enough, that's enough, Shaker. Right, Manira, wait, let's see what happens now. Look at your lava lamp, Shaker.
This is fizzing.
What can you see, Shaker?
Orange.
Lots of
Orange.
Lots of bubbles and lots of fizzing. What can you see, Manira?
Just bubbles.
Bubbles. Fantastic.
Oh my. It's coming up.
Has your experiment been a success?
Yeah.
Yes? Are you happy?
Yeah.
What are you checking, Manira? What happens if you put more vinegar in?
Yeah, it looks like rain now.
It does.
Orange.
It worked very well, didn't it?